Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is my 2024 G87 M2 and it's a pretty rainy day out here in Mexico today, and I kind of want to see how this car handles in the rain. And we got a nice open area over here that we can do a few donuts and see kind of how the M2 handles the donuts, and kind of test my skill as far as like doing donuts and stuff, because I've never done donuts in this car yet. So this will be kind of a new thing for me. So if I mess up, I am an amateur. I'm new at this. I'm just trying to learn to do better, and I want to do it in somewhat of a safe area because right here it's nice and open and there's nothing really I can hit. So we're gonna go ahead and hop inside and see how we do. All right guys, got you set up on the POV hat now. So let's go ahead and set up our modes here. So let's go to setup, or actually let's go to traction control, turn it all the way off. And then let me make sure I go to 0. There we go. So now it's completely off. I put the transmission in sequential mode. So there we go. We're in sequential, and we're gonna see how we do. Hopefully we do well. So I guess I'll try going right first. Nothing over here, so we should be okay. All right. So let's see how we do. My God, this car gets so much grip, it's hard to keep it moving. Okay, see, this is a learning experience, so we're learning together. All right, let's try this again. I don't know, I'm trying to do well here. It's all the way off. Maybe it's just getting good grip, I don't know. Or maybe I don't know what I'm doing. All right, let's try this again. That's weird, it's almost like it's hitting some sort of limiter. See, it like goes around and then like stops. Oh, maybe I need to put it in the sport mode. Let's put everything in sport and see if that changes it. All right, I'm gonna go back around now. This is why we practice, and I'm showing you guys here. Not gonna fake it like I know exactly what I'm doing. All right, let's try this again. Okay, that was a little bit better. So maybe that's what I need to do. I needed to put it in the sport mode. Because the other time it seemed like I was like hitting like some sort of limiter. So we'll try going left this time. I think that's what I did last time, was go left. So we'll do a left one here and then we'll do a right one. Oh gosh. We'll take off here. At least it lets you hit the rev limiter, because in Mustangs, like if you hit the rev limiter, it'll like cut all the power. Like this one lets you kind of do that, like da-da-da-da, like when it hits the rev limiter. Mustangs kind of cut the power when you hit the rev limiter. The main thing that I've learned, based on like what I've watched and what I've researched and stuff, is when you do power slides and stuff, you always want to make sure that you know, when you're nearing the end of the slide, you're putting the wheel back to straight, because I think that's the main problem that people have, like when they're leaving car shows and like run into people, is because they swing out one way and then they keep their wheel turned, like counter steered, and then it whips back around and goes the other way. So you're supposed to swing out. Well, this is what I'm thinking. By the way, I'm not a professional. I'm not good. You guys can see those crappy donuts I did. But I think what you're supposed to do is once you whip it out like that and your wheel's turned, as you're nearing the end of that turn, start turning it back to straight so then you can go straight. You don't want to like whip back around unless you're trying to do like a 360 or something. But let's see if we can do a few more little slides up here. Got to be careful. Hopefully my Michelins aren't too bad, because I think the rain kind of stopped, so I think we're getting kind of we're getting a little bit more grippy now. Yeah, this thing is just grips so well. Wow. I'm kind of getting used to it. It's still a little sketchy, you know. The nice thing is that the steering ratio is pretty close, so you don't have to turn it a million times. I think the Supra I drove, the steering ratio was a little closer, so it's a little easier to do slides and stuff in that one. But yeah, it's pretty good. All right, we're gonna take off here after this truck. This car ruined it. I'm going too fast. I'm not gonna slide at this speed. Maybe I'll do a little one. Yeah, it slid really easy there, so I let off fast. So I didn't want to whoop whoop, you know, run into something. Yeah, that was just a baby one. Alright guys, before we go in and check the Michelins, we're gonna do one last one, because there's a corner that I really like up here. Wonder if I should start in second. No, we'll start in first and we'll see. That was fun. See, I did that one pretty good. You gotta admit I did that one pretty good. That was fun. Turn right here. I like doing right turns better. I don't know, right turn just feels better. That was pretty fun. Yeah, I think I'm getting better. What do you guys think? This is my first time, by the way. This is my first time. I've done little power slides in the dry and stuff with this car, but I haven't like done like full, like, you know, power slides and stuff in like the wet to where you can really step it out. So I mean, you can step it out in the dry, but I'm a little too nervous to do that. I don't want to do anything too crazy in the dry. And then also the tire wear and stuff. All right, we'll do one last one here and then we'll pack it in. All right, here we go. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, I think I'm getting better. I think I'm getting better, guys. Alright guys, let's go ahead and check the Michelins here. Picked up a lot of rocks. I don't know how the tread is. Let's compare it to the other side here. Okay. Definitely use a little bit of it. Let's see the front. Honestly, I think they're probably fine. But if you guys enjoy this video, me attempting to slide my M2, please give it a like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.